Should I ask Daddy to do this one? So you can dance? Dad, here you go. Do your drum. Hola. Oh, what happened to your baby? Do your drum, Dad. She's grumpy. Jelana, Daddy doesn't want to do drum. Daddy doesn't want to do the drum, Jelana. See? I know she because that's her background, the drum. And she's singing booba.
Jelana, do we need to get you tennis shoes for gym class?
She had the tennis shoes. She got lots of tennis shoes.
She has two, and one she can't wear anymore. So she has one. Okay, we have one.
No, she had only one now.
We only have two scuffed. You see them all?
Maybe, oh, you know what? There's a shoes underneath that grandma is saving. I'll ask. And I'll ask.
Not underneath them. Well, I don't know if the show we're about ready to do the
Chriselle! Tanong mo nga kay mother kung mayroong tennis shoes ang tinatago para kay Jelana sa baba. Hello, MJ. What you doing? Oh, wow. Do your... What you doing there? Is that how you do at school? Yeah? Hello, Mary Rose. Oh, what happened to your horsey ride? You can carry your horse? Is that your guard? See, have Daddy do the drum. Dad, can you do the drum now, Dad? See, Dad, there you go. She can dance now. Oh, wow. Bring the stick, though. Here.
Here.
I know what. That's not the stick. I know this is better. Oh, not that one. Asan na? Diyos ko, Lord. Andun na naman si Jelana. Okay, see. You will not get a sound.
I don't want to do it.
Oh.
Yikes. Put it on that thing. That resonates the sound better. On the red.
It resonates.
Under.
It resonates the sound better.
Let me tell that.
See? Oh, wow. Her music teacher has one of those, Jelana.
Nothing?
Music go, that is go for meditation.
So that's what it is.
Yeah. Tibetan
They were trying to get me to
meditation ball, yeah.
Oh, tell it. Tell it, Mom.
Oh, I'm